Michigan Tech has recently reorganized our outstanding programs into a new College of Computing, which is the first College of Computing in the state of Michigan. We are excited to be working with students from all over the country and the world to create an amazing learning experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Dan Furman. I am the interim chair of Michigan Tech's brand new Department of Applied Computing, one of two academic departments in the College of Computing, the other being the Department of Computer Science. In Applied Computing, we offer the undergraduate degree programs Bachelor of Science in Computer Network and System Administration and Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering Technology. Also, in cooperation with the Department of Computer Science, we offer the degree Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity, and in cooperation with the College of Engineering, we offer the degree Bachelor of Science in Mechatronics, which has just been launched starting in the fall 2020 semester. We also offer graduate degrees in health informatics and in mechatronics. All of our degree programs are intended to give our graduates practical, hands-on experiences and skills that are in high demand in the modern and rapidly changing workforce of the 21st century. Thank you for joining us today. I am confident you will find a program at Michigan Tech that meets your educational and career goals.
Computer network and system administration students work with a variety of system architectures as they learn best practices and industry standards for deploying and maintaining complex computing systems. You'll also get to work on labs designed to give you hands-on experience with real-world problems using the same hardware and software used by companies today. Cybersecurity students get to choose from one of two paths. You can choose to focus on system and network security as a way of building and maintaining a secure infrastructure, or you can focus on software security to assess software risk, mitigate damage, and develop trusted software platforms.
The College of Computing has partnered with industry leaders to ensure that our labs match industry standards and give our students experience with the types of technology that they will use when they enter the workforce.
At Michigan Tech, you will have the chance to work within enterprise or senior design teams to develop workable solutions to real problems. Our students participate in nearly all the enterprises across campus. Not surprisingly, the most popular enterprises for our students are the ones housed within the college: HYDE, Humane Interface Development Enterprise, Husky Games Development Enterprise, and IT Oxygen. HYDE is a full-stack enterprise developing usable applications focused on unusual user domains. Students in HYDE have worked on a wide range of projects, from dashboard touchscreen usability studies for the automotive industry to development of a citizen science application for monitoring microclimates. Students in Husky Games design and develop games for business, education, and fun. You can check out videos for games currently under development at huskygames.com. IT Oxygen specializes in information technology help for both student organizations and businesses. The members of IT Oxygen work on real projects for real companies that foster skills in development, problem solving, and business.
When you join the College of Computing, you will have access to world-class learning labs and amazing instructors that are interested in your success. And when you graduate from the College of Computing, you enter industry with a 90 to 100% placement rate into very rewarding careers. We are looking forward to having you join us in the College of Computing at Michigan Technological University.